Good afternoon. My name is Serena. I'm from the National Center for High Performance Computing in Taiwan. It's a long trip to be here. And who am I? I'm an associate researcher in NCHC, and our project is free software, also the open source software. And my expertise is virtualization technology because I developed OpenStack and a little experience about OpenNebula. And I also work for the cybersecurity technology. This is my part-time job. So here is an outline. Maybe first you will question, what is your project? Frankly, that's just based on OpenNebula because we did a little bit modify, and then we use it to cybersecurity platform. And I will tell you what does Ezilla do for cybersecurity and the code tag of Ezilla. And because I have a little time, so I must speed up. Ezilla is designed to help users to have their own private cloud, and you have a simple to installation and simple to use. And Ezilla is consistent 3 parts. The first one is a diskless remote boot in Linux. That's this is our open source in Taiwan. We created, and we also use a cloud middleware OpenNebula. It's very light and very simple to use. And then we also use the web interface. So we create 2 versions of Ezilla. The first one is diskless. That means as long as you install OpenNebula, you can edit your physical machine anytime, everywhere. Just use the local LAN. After use the DRBL, you can dynamic extension your computing powers. So what's the pros and cons? Pros is you can edit your physical computing resource. Cons, that means you have a poor I/O performance. So we also provide the second, that's a disk-full vision. You can see we integrated the distributed file system. We use a cluster. So they have a better performance, but you can edit the physical machine anytime. So we use Ezilla to our CDS platform. So we create a lot of training and competition service and virtual network service. So because our CDS teacher always complain about me, as long as they want to set up the hands-on conference, they also have a lot of work to installation, to manage the computers. So we use Ezilla to move the physical machine behind between, so the student can use their own private cloud. So even after the conference, they just go back home, they use the browser, they can use their own lab. So here I just give you what is cybersecurity. Here is some information. I do not talk too much in here. And what's Ezilla do for the cybersecurity? It's simplify the demo and the evaluation and reduce the development and the support cost and extend the application to cloud. And for system manager, just with the one simple click, they can install their own private cloud, faster installation, and easy to manage virtual machines, building multiple templates at the same time. For user, they can use the user-friendly interface to use their virtual machine, and they just turn on his own web browser. They can use their lab. So here is a real user case. Innotech dedicated their hardware to National Jiao Tong University in Taiwan. And And we just install the Ezilla, and then we provide 1,000 students go to test the SDN course at the same time. So I need to speed up. So here is our press conference video. Maybe later you can. And then we also, last week, we also have the cyber defense exercise just last week. And you can see our teachers use OpenNebula to create their hands-on lab to each student. After class, no time and space limit, students can enjoy their seamless education. So we also use the marketplace because we collect a lot of information security open source toolkit in marketplace, so they can use that. Okay. So let me, yeah. So what's the code tag? They're including OpenNebula, including the DRBL, and the So here is our open source project in Taiwan. So you can see. So how to install that? Just with one click, you can install the Ezilla master, and then other Ezilla slabs just connect in the LAN, and while using the PXE to reboot Ezilla slabs, and the physical machine just dedicate his CPU and memory. So here is other code example, so you can see. Yep. So that's it. Maybe do anyone have any questions? Yep.
Does anyone have any questions? Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.